I'm sure by now most of us, if not all of us, have heard of the Great Pyramids in Egypt. Did you know that the country of Sudan, an obviously indisputable black country, had more pyramids than Egypt? Yes, they had more pyramids than Egypt. Now, this is a little known fact. Well, today we're going to look at a recently discovered hidden city of Africa's black pharaohs in the country of Sudan, which borders Egypt. Now, at that time, it was not called Sudan, it was called Nubia. Now, Nubia's kings, specifically the 25th dynasty, which originated from the kingdom of Kush, ruled over all of Egypt from approximately 712 to 671 BCE. The name of the discovery of the city was Dukki Gel, or some people call it Dukki Gel.
Dukki Gel refers to a significant archaeological site in Sudan, also known as the City Temple Complex of the Kushite Kingdom, or the Black Pharaohs. The name can also refer to the famous cache of 40 fragments of black granite statues of the Napatan era Kushite kings that was discovered there in 2003. The city of Dukki Gel. Location. It is an ancient city in northern Sudan, forming part of a vast archaeological complex with Kerma. Significance. It was a capital city of the kingdom of Kush, which ruled Egypt as the 25th dynasty. The discovery of Dukki Gel is seen as crucial for understanding the Kushite civilization and could help revise the history of ancient civilizations. Discovery. In 2003, archaeologists unearthed a pit containing 40 fragments of 7 monumental black granite statues of Kushite pharaohs.
The granite material that was used in the building of these pyramids was significant in Nubian pyramids for its strength and durability. Granite is one of the hardest substances in the world. In fact, among all the world's natural resources, granite is second only to diamonds in hardness, making it extremely durable and long-lasting. There are ancient works of granite architecture that has been standing for thousands of years. Granite was also reserved for the most important internal parts of the tombs to ensure their longevity and to create a sense of prestige within the burial chambers of the pyramids. Now, one of the reasons that this granite material is so significant is scientists, archaeologists, and all of the great minds who've studied these pyramids cannot figure out to this day how the Nubians were able to cut, move, and build these buildings, pyramids, and artifacts with this extremely tough material. To this day, they can't figure it out. And yet, the genius of those African people cannot be denied.
The statues of Dukki Gel. The statues represent kings like Taharga, Tantamani, Sinkaman, and Lamani, and Espelta. They were deliberately broken and possibly during a raid by the Egyptian pharaoh Psamtik II around 590 BC. And then carefully buried.
All that history was preserved in these edifices.
Conservation. The fragments have been cleaned and traces of pigments and gold leaf have been found on them. The statues are now displayed at the Kerma Museum in Sudan.
All that greatness buried in the sand until 2003. Now, this can never be denied. Who built those pyramids? There's always some debate about who built the pyramids in Egypt. But when it comes to Nubia or modern-day Sudan, there is absolutely no debate as to who built it. And if you don't know who built it, let me just say for those in the back, it was built by black people. And also, there's some debate, like a lot of people say, well, we're not African, we're not from Africa. That might be true, although physically we're not from Africa. But what cannot be denied, that those are indeed our cousins, because our DNA is E1B1A and theirs is E1B1B. We are cousins, whether you like it or not. Now, the last thing that we want to emphasize, that this discovery of Dukki Gel, it wasn't just a pyramid or a sphinx or an artifact. It was an entire city. a complete city that was buried in the sand. And the pyramids and the statues and the artifacts that were discovered was absolutely mind-boggling. A whole entire city built by Africans, built by black people, buried in the sand. And the discoveries is undeniable proof of the greatness of black people. See, the thing is, we are a great people, but the problem is many of us don't know it. But if you knew your history, you would know exactly how great you are and that you don't have to take a backseat to nobody. The Black Excellence and Abundance channel, where black history is every day. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, thou art rich.